this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this slimline card with the Slimline Saying bundle and the Dahlia Days bundle. Here is the second slimline card that I wanted to show you using the Slimline Sayings bundle and the Dahlia Days bundle. So here's the Slimline Sayings bundle, and these are really huge magnet pieces to hold them with a nice shiny piece on the back where you can stick your stamps. If you wanted to put those in a pocket together, you could do that. These are from Stampin' Storage, and I am going to show you how to do some coloring and masking. I used this die to create a template. So this is my template die here. And then this is a 3 1/4 by 8 1/4 piece of basic white cardstock. And I'm gonna do some coloring here. So I'm just gonna put this on very lightly. And I'm going to color this very lightly with Granny Apple Green, Coastal Cabana, and Gorgeous Grape. Oh, I just touched it. Okay, so Granny Apple Green. So we're gonna get some ink here. I think there's already a lot on there. And just start off a little bit and then just very lightly add the color. And I'm doing this really lightly because the template is super delicate. I tried cutting it out of a window sheet so it wasn't as delicate, and that didn't work out so well. I had a hard time cutting it. But you could try that. And it looks like got kind of a rough edge there, but it'll be okay. So I'll come up to about here. And then this is where I'll blend in the Coastal Cabana. One of my favorite colors, Coastal Cabana. Okay, I'm just gonna very gently start blending this into the Granny Apple Green. I'm going to try and hold this here a little bit. Okay. Go like that. There. We'll just go all the way up over here. Try to get as much of this on here as I can. Ah! It's okay if you move it. You can just put it back. Okay, now I'm gonna hold it on the other side. I don't like to spray any adhesive on it because I don't want like any gunky stuff left over on the card. But you could do that because for this card, I'm gonna cover it up. So I think it could work. Okay, let's see. A little bit more down here. Okay, and then we'll start doing the Gorgeous Grape. So I'm just gonna move this whole thing down. And we'll do Gorgeous Grape. Let's start here. Yeah. Okay. Get some more over here. Okay, hold it on this side. Just really lightly. Add that color in. Do it dark down there. A little bit more up here. Okay. Ta-da! So pretty. So cool. And then you could use this for a card. This would be cool, right? For a card. All right, I gotta get the ink off my fingers a little bit. Okay, so now you can just glue that on. Hey, that might look kind of cool that way too. But you can glue this piece on. This kind of just, you know, hides any boo-boos you make if the template shifts, and just makes it look nice and crisp and white. So just glue that on there and then trim that off. And then you will have, I already did one. Where did I put it? You will have this, and I already adhered it to the card. And so you have this. Ta-da! Okay, so I have a little piece cut out from the Hippo and Friends dies, and I'm going to use the sentiment from the Dahlia Days bundle. So this is the Dahlia Days bundle, and I haven't used this yet, but it's pretty cool. The dies cut out all of these images, and it has these great sentiments. I really, really like them. Thank you for your kindness to an amazing woman. You're beyond incredible. Sending you lots of love. You made my day. So I just really like them. But the dies not only are for cutting out, but it's got this extra die, which I think is really cool. And that would be really cool to color like an ombre color as well. So I'm gonna put that aside. I'm gonna play with that some more later. But I'm gonna stamp the sentiment in the Gorgeous Grape, which I think I need to re-ink. Okay, and then I'm just gonna put, let's see, I want the tab to hold it, and then nothing really, yeah. So I'm gonna put one dimensional here and one over here. And this time I'm gonna do something a little bit different. I want the tab right there to just hold that down. So it's like tucked under there, kind of, sort of, like that. And then I've already stamped all of my Dahlia Days flowers. So here's the Gorgeous Grape one. Put it up there. And then I stamped the leaves all in Granny Apple Green. So put that there. And then I did some of the little flowers in Daffodil Delight and Bermuda Bay and Coastal Cabana too. And you can just build up all these flowers and leaves over here. Super fun. And we can put some over here like that. And then we've got this one, this pretty bunch of flowers or leaves. And then I've got all these little pieces on glue dots. So we can just like add one right there and add one right there. And then we'll do another Bermuda Bay one up here. And there we are. So maybe I should have moved it over a little bit more so it could have tucked better, but I didn't want to move it too much. But there you go. So this is the second Slimline card. Whoop. Maybe if I like really crease it super duper well. Okay. There we go. I think that'll work now, hopefully. A little bit. Anyway, so I used the edgelet that comes with 2 edgelets. So this one and this one. So I used the edgelet here. So instead of making my card, it would normally be 7 wide, 7 inches wide, scored at 3.5. I did 8. So I added an extra inch so I could cut this piece off. And then I scored it 3.5 and 7. So I could have this little extra piece to fold over. Isn't that fun? You can do that with the other one too. And then there's all kinds of things you can do with this fun die. There we go. That's a little bit better, staying a little bit better. Okay, so I'm offering a free card kit when you purchase any one of these bundles or place a $40 order. I forgot to show you this card. This card is using the other die. Same thing with the ombre. And then I added the chevron on top. So I used both. Isn't that cool? And then I just stamped You're One of a Kind using the Stamparatus and the markers so that I could do all the different colors, and added some ribbon. So that's just a little sneaky peeky extra. And then the free card kit would include the supplies for these 6 cards. So just use my current host code and email me and let me know that you would like the Slimline card kit, and I will send it right out to you. Thank you so much for watching my videos on these fun Slimline cards using the Slimline Sayings bundle. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please give me a like and leave a comment. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the notification bell so you know every time I go live or post a new video. Have a great day, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.